Wagwan YouTube, it's Vlogmas day 5. Yes guys, so I'm so excited for today's vlog because I am preparing for my vacation, which I am going to tomorrow. So right now I'm actually in front of the nail salon. I have an appointment for 2:30, so I'm just about to redo my nails because my nails are ugly. I have bio gel on my nails, so I put them over my natural nail, and I tend to like keep breaking. I don't know if the quality that they're using is not good, but they keep shelling off, or maybe because I keep washing people's hair, so then you know them get frail and fragile. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do my toes, which yeah, my feet them they want to do. So I'm gonna do that. I woke up earlier this morning and I did so much stuff. I had to make a wig like quick. I had to sort out my wig. As you guys didn't see, my hair is not done. I couldn't figure out what I wanted to do because honestly guys, I ordered a wig so that I can wear for the vacation and it never came on time. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wear my birthday wig. That was like my last minute choice. I was gonna do a sew-in, but I'm like nah, because I want to have new hair for Christmas, and I was gonna do like feed-ins, but I'm like nah. I told myself I'm giving braids a break, so I just stuck to doing the wig that I did for my birthday. So that is what I'm gonna do guys. So yeah, so I'm about to head in. It is 2:28 right now, so I'm just gonna head in, show my face, and get my day, well my day has been started already, but get my planning for my vacation started. Yeah, see you guys in the next clip. Here are motherfucking new nails. Okay, I joke. So these are my new nails. I don't know if I'm feeling the color still. I wanted like a nice baby blue, but I don't know if the color is giving what I wanted it to be. Don't mind my hand, they're very dry. I didn't put no lotion on. But yeah, so now I'm about to head home. Yo guys, I honestly totally forgot that I was supposed to do a COVID test. Lucky thing is I just do an antigen test. It'll be available in 15 minutes, but there's a new like rule about you have to do it within 24 hours. So my flight is tomorrow is at like 4 something, so yeah, I think I'm too early to take my test, so I'm gonna head home. Plus I'm wearing slippers, I'm not even wearing shoes. Head home, make my toes dry a bit, then put on my shoes, and then go back on the road. But yo, it's a Sunday, like things close early. Like I'm trying to go to Winners to get like a little outfit to wear to the airport tomorrow, because I didn't really do any shopping because yeah. But all right, I'm gonna head home now. Okay vloggers, I haven't been recording because I've been so busy just running around. Look at outside guys, like watch road, look how road icy and such. But yeah, we're heading home. I just went to Winners to buy a couple of stuff. Didn't really see anything, so yeah. Okay, so I just got home. As you guys can see, my hair is not done yet. I need to eat dinner because I'm tired. After I eat, I'm gonna go bathe, wash my hair, braid it up, and put on the frontal. I hope I am able to put this video up on time. I bought some stuff at Winners, a sweater to wear in the morning at the airport. This is a Champion sweater. It's a regular black one. I bought this Juicy Couture. It's supposed to be sleep pants. They look like I could wear them like as regular pants, but sleep pants, they're so cute. So yeah, I'm about to go eat dinner. Oh no, dinner no cook. Or it's cooking. Oh no, it's not done. Oh no, it no wash. Like I'm here just I'm so over today, honestly. Oh, I forgot to show you guys me bottling up the sorrel drinks. I'm gonna put a clip right now in it. So this day is kind of boring, but I'm glad that like I still made a vlog. I wonder if you guys can see me. I'm kind of dark. Kind of dark. But yeah, this day was kind of boring, but I'm glad I still, you know, got on here and was able to give you guys somewhat of a video for Vlogmas. The next few vlogs will be a bit more interesting and a bit more fun. I'm just gonna end it off right here, so because if me wait till me done everything when me did want show no, it's not, you know, this video is not gonna get up on time. So guys, thank you guys very much for watching Vlogmas day, what day is it? Day 5. Blood seed, this time I'll roll. Oh yes guys, yes, Andrique, I forgot to show you guys. Yes guys, my little nephew is here.
Make sure you subscribe.
Yeah, listen to him.
Like and press the bells.
Yeah.
And comment.
And comment, yeah. So,
Subscribe.
yeah, alright. Make sure to subscribe and yeah, like, share, everything. Stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 6. Bye guys.
Bye.